Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's well. Might have a little short opportunity here. We are going to trade an eval account today. And we're going to trade it big. We're gonna start trying a new thing here where we it's one thing I heard from just another good trader is like the way to do prop is just trade one account per day and trade it big, and whatever accounts you blow up, just move along and buy another account, and then as soon as you get payout, just take payout, and then every day just move to a new account. So I think we're going to be trying that. Just have the YM up here. Half decent failure on the YM. I think NQ looks like a half decent spot too. I like the YM trade better. Again, this is it's an eval account. We'll look through the Discord here in a minute. There's a whole bunch of earnings charts. I could just put in another. Fire and mortars. Keep an eye on that. Let you guys know how it's going. Yeah, so let's have a look at the morning brief. Pre-market earnings. Lily pumped. Gap up. Gaining the daily. Kind of an important spot to get above, so we'll see how that works out today. Nothing really to report though. Riot. Little gap up. Nothing really spectacular to report. Shopify. Where's this? Massive gap up on Shopify. This trade was already kind of underway, but they've gained the weekly at this point. So a retest of this weekly in the gap will be decent. Something to keep an eye on anyway. Retest of the weekly order block. There's going to be a big gap. Get that in signals for you guys. Sorry about that. My wife got home. Quick peek in at our trade here. Still alive. 5, just the first entry. Be looking for a swing low of this. And then this. Maybe even below that. We'll see. What else is here? What else is here in the old morning brief? No high impact news today. Uber. Uber gap down. This looks like it's gonna go a little bit lower. Nothing to report here. I'd be looking for a sweep of this at this point. Next thing down is like pretty low, so nothing to do here yet. Disney. Big gap down on Disney. This is tested already. Bottom of the range though. They did gain this weekly, so you know, longs around here wouldn't be too bad. But kind of tested, really nothing to, no actionable shit there. That's it for pre-market. Aftermarket close is Dash. Let's just check yesterday's aftermarkets. AMD. Yeah, thank you. So AMD big gap down. So, you know, they're trying to fail this weekly. They haven't failed it yet, but they're trying to fail that. If they do have weekly closes below there, look out below. Like this is gonna head much further down. So be looking at shorting that. The next major thing is just way down here. So we'll see. Weekly liquidity here. Pinterest. Gap down off the weekly rejection here. So weekly continuation down. This is looking a little rough because this is right at the lows, man. Like, you know, what else is there? I would kind of think new lows at this point. So we'll see what happens. If they're holding the weekly right now, so we'll see. If they lose this weekly, look for new lows. Upstart was in a pretty good position for longs here. It doesn't look too bad. You know, they're holding this on this weekly swing, really low in the range, gained, and then held. So we'll see. You know, this could be off to the races. Targeting up here again. Targeting this area again. There's a big gap here, so I would be targeting that. Gained the weekly a little while back in April. So kind of already going, but you know, 2 weeks ago this would have been good to see. That's kind of it for the morning brief. Trend Spider had a couple charts in there I saw. I think the Shopify, we already went over that one. Let's check this one out. This was down. Yeah, this failed the weekly a while ago. Even here. But they failed this weekly. Then big fucking smash down. We kind of waiting for them to... They did take liquidity, so like if they did gain a daily... Alright. They did gain the daily. Gain the daily and then they're retesting it. So this one's not too bad for actionable right now. Right here, right now. You got really clear... You got really clear signs here, or clear, like, you know, if it goes lower than this, then you know to get out. They're gaining the daily after a weekly liquidity sweep, and then retesting the daily. So this one doesn't look bad for a trade. Doesn't look too shabby for a trade. That's what I mean about the trend spider guys, you know, and they post a lot of good charts that you can action. Uber, we went over. CVS, we can look at that. They had earnings, but I guess it wasn't in our list. If CVS is losing the daily at the weekly support, so just eyes on CVS, right? If they lose this weekly or not, but they lost the daily already. Yeah, they lost the daily, so this one doesn't look too bad for a short. A little bit of a gap down here. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Go through a couple more trend spiders, I guess. Disney we looked at, Lily we looked at, Circle we didn't look at. It's now or never, you know. Circle looks like a good buy. They've gained the weekly, testing way all the way back down again. Just gonna post the weekly chart. We might only get one fill here for this trade. So that's about it, man. We got about half an hour until the market opens. Pretty chiller day. Yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna trade one. I'm gonna try what this guy said. He said just trade one. He said trade it to the fullest you can. You know, each trade should be worth like 1 or 2 tries on the account, and then that's it. And he said just fucking trade like that. And he said whatever accounts blow up, just fucking forget about it. Just move along. We gotta start pumping up the volume here, you know what I mean? I can't have like so great 2 weeks or 3 weeks and then just get to passing the account. Can't be like that. I need to pump up the volume. I feel like I'm just wasting my time, you know what I mean? So instead of like 5 contracts to 10, we're going to be doing 10 to 15 per trade. I'll still be taking some out and putting some in like I normally do. And I'll still be taking profit targets. I'm not going to just let runners run or just target far away. I'm going to be still trying to trade it as proper as I can. But we just need to pump up the volume a bit here. If I have to blow a couple accounts, so be it. Well, I'm gonna go for a quick cigarette. Top of the morning. Top of the morning, bro. I hope you're well, man. I was gonna go for a quick cigarette, but maybe I'll stay because Deer Park has arrived. How goes the trading, brother? We're still a little bit early. Most of the people show up here right before New York open. So like 30 minutes. Confusing as fuck, yeah. It's all good, man. If I can be any help, let me know. You should come and join. You should join our Discord. It's some good pro traders in there. This is our Discord. I've set it up so there's like, you know, it has morning announcements and stuff, so it tells you what high impact news is there. Earnings calendar, economic calendar for the week. I put out signals there. It also has like the trend spider charts, so you'll get a bunch of charts there that are actionable. Yeah, I can. I don't think the on Kick I'm not set up with the bot. But I'll do it manual for you, man. Yeah, all good, bro. If you're looking for training content, there's I do have a bunch of stuff out on the YouTube. You can check there if you like. You'll see after you verify. I mostly trade Apex at this point, prop. But I do trade crypto too on Bybit. And then I do a bunch of DeFi crypto stuff too. Yeah, you'll see it in the Discord. It's under the training videos. And then you can watch, there's all the past live streams are there too. And there's a bunch of shit there for learning, man. Just you need to verify your account on the Discord, and then you can see all the channels after you verify. We had to set it up like that because we were getting just like a whole bunch of scammers coming into the Discord pretending to be me and messaging the users, man. It was the worst. Yeah, bro, no worries. If you have any questions about it, we trade. I know there's a lot of different ways to trade. We trade mostly just price action here on the people that trade here. But it's probably the best way to trade, I would say. You don't see where to verify? Just go into the verify section and click the check mark. Read, bro. And once you click verify, then you'll see all the channels. Yeah, you'll have to wait for a 10-minute timer probably. I had to do that because, you know, people were just jumping in and scamming people, man. I couldn't do it anymore without. Oh, no worries, man. It's all good. Hardly anybody's on Kick though. Most of the people are on Twitch. Same name for the, if you want to like chat with the community. I'll get the chat. I don't know, my chat. I used to have all the chats coming up on the screen, but it fucked up, and I just haven't fixed it yet. Just too lazy to. Yeah, it's all good, man. If you feel like going there, it's fine. That's why I stream everywhere, so not a big deal. How long have you been trading for? Okay, perfect. Let's have a smoke break. I'll go have a smoke too. You have a smoke. We'll come back. There'll probably be some other people here by that point. So, all right, be right back. What's going on, Robus? How are you? Good morning, good morning. SpaceX. Let's check it. Yeah, maybe for at least for a bounce. They did gain the daily very well. Yeah, this is good. We should move this. Right, Robust, thank you. Pulling your weight in here, yeah? It's okay for a trade. I like it a little bit lower though, really. I like it like at like 50 bucks around there. Then I'll add some long-term play in there at around 50 bucks or so. Around 50. We'll pop this in the old Discord under signals. Oops. I should put the actual fucking picture in there. SpaceX. Looks good to go. Off the daily. Gain retests. Yeah, I'm sure that one's going far in the long term. I have a little trade on YM short. Just trying to get a swing low here. On this 5 minute failure. Trying to get this and then trying to get like down here underneath this. Let's see if we can get it. I've changed the concept here for the trading, man. We're going to be trading one account per day. I bought 5 more accounts. We're going to trade one account per day. So every day we're going to trade one account and then we're just going to move to the next account. If we blow, and we're going to trade them bigger. 10 to 15 contracts per trade. And if we blow up the account, we blow up the account. Even paid accounts, I don't care. That's the way we're going to trade now. And we're just going to move every day, move to a new account. Well, the rationale is like, I traded for like, I looked at my history and I traded for like, I had like a 30-day win streak. And then I had a couple bad days. So like on a 30-day, it took me 30 days to get to the account being at payout. The account was at payout too. So that's just too long. You know what I mean? I need to up the volume here, right? So my plan is to just do one account and then move to the next account and then have these accounts like all moving up at the same time. And if I blow one up, it's not a huge deal. I just move. I'll just refill it and then move to the next one the next day. And then as they hit payout, I'll be taking the payout. I won't be like trying to like keep these things going. I'm just gonna try to get it to the payout and then take the payout. I spoke to another trader that I know, and he told me, he's like, dude, that's the way to do it. So we're gonna try it. I don't know. We'll try it out and see. What's going on, Deer Park? Over on Kick. Welcome back. So you said you were losing for two or three months, you said? When I started, I was losing for 2 or 3 years. So you shouldn't feel so bad. It's part of the game. You lose at first for sure. It's like paying your dues. Did you miss anything? Nah. Nothing really. We're in a short on the YM. Yeah, I put that in the signals, the AMD, I believe. Oh no, I didn't. I did talk about it already though. This just looks like continuation down, right? Huge rejection off the weekly. So I don't know. I'm thinking we're gonna. I'm thinking this is like headed down, dude. Down there. Big rejection off the daily or off the weekly swing like that. Usually means we're gonna see probably at least this and probably at least this, you know. And then we'll see what happens. See if that liquidity is enough to change things. I don't know if we'll get all the way down there, but you know, that's the next thing that's available. There's just liquidity and down here, so we'll see. I wouldn't trade this until we're below this, and then even then it's probably just going to be a counter trend trade. It'll probably be something like this, and then down, and then this, and then down. Looks a bit rough though. Stopped investing, Deer Park, before you guys. It's good to just learn as much as you can about price action. How long have I been trading? 15 years, I would say. I'm 46, so I've been trading a long time. Do you know everything about price action? You've been trading for 2 or 3 months. There's a lot of bullshit out there, right? So Make sure you're getting the right information. You need to learn price action. Learning price action is like #1 thing that you need to do. After you understand price action, then after that, it's just practice. Practice with small amounts at first until you're profitable. Do you know about price action, Deer Park? So you're really new then, yeah? Yeah, you got to learn about price action concepts. Price action's king. You know, you can see on the charts here, I don't have any kind of indicators or anything, right? You don't need it. You just need price action. That's it. So you need to understand how the market moves and why it's moving. Yeah, you should just watch the training videos in the Discord there. That'll give you at least a little basic information. None of them are really long. It's maybe like all of the videos together, maybe 40 minutes or something like that. But that'll at least give you a little bit of basic information on what the fuck's going on, you know? Couple things that you should just keep in your mind, man. Like if anybody's trying to sell you a course or something like that, just fucking run, because it's real traders don't need to sell you shit, man, because they make enough money. They don't care, you know? And then also, like, if someone's trying to tell you to enter trades on like EMAs, that's another big no-no, man. EMAs and SAs, like moving averages, they're all lagging indicators, right? So like they don't give you like they give you information, but it's just lagging, right? So you can't action a trade off of a lagging indicator. It just doesn't work like that, man. You're just going to be late to you're just not going to have good entries. You're going to be late. EMA is an exponential moving average. SMA is a simple moving average. So they're just moving averages. They're just like lines and indicators on the charts. Moving averages of like the last 20 candles or the last 200 candles or whatever. And people like to say that the market uses those things as supports. Well, it's not really true. Sometimes they line up with things that are going on in price action, but other times no. So that's why it's just very, very much more important just to learn price action and just learn. Learning price action is very easy. It's not very difficult, honestly. It's not hard at all. The hard part about trading is like the emotional control. And like, you know, when you have $100, $500, $1,000 on the line, you know, what do you do? How do you act? You know, when you have money on the line here, it changes the way that you do things, right? Like, that's why a lot of people just are not good at trading, right? There's too much emotion involved. I'm gonna take half the position right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
So 5 left. I won't be re-adding to this. I'm gonna be moving to stop the profit, and then we're just gonna take the. I was 10 contracts. I was trying to get 15, but I only got 10. So we have 5 left. So 5. We'll put the stop in profit. Stop the profit. Okay, we're gonna take one more off here.
Order filled. Order
Maybe
filled.
maybe 2 more.
Order filled.
3 runners. Change the stop to 3. And now we're gonna look at where we're gonna target for the runners. This is all tested, so really I should just be keeping the runners for down here, like a new 4-hour low. It's kind of what I want to do. We'll take one more off here, and then the rest is going to be at a 4-hour low. Yeah, I have funded prop accounts, and this one's an eval, but I trade the exact same way when I'm trading with my funded ones. So 3 runners. We're gonna put the target here at a new 4-hour low. This is all tested, yeah. So I'm gonna put it at the 4-hour low. Just like in it a little bit. Front run it a bit. That'll be the runner target. Let's make sure that this is right. Stop and profit. So that's probably going to be the trade for today. No, the name of the prop is Apex. Apex funded trading. CL might give a long in this range. Interesting. Let's have a look. I like it a little bit lower, but yeah. I like it down here. I like it a little bit lower. I was calling this number yesterday. I was calling this swing yesterday. Already looks pretty good. But yeah, I'd like it lower, man. Even if they gain here, I wouldn't take that long. I would wait until this. If they give this down here. Right here. Let's have a peruse through the old markets. We got market in 2 minutes. ES just blasting. It's the blast off for ES and Q blast off. Russell kind of looks interesting. Took the highs. Is that what happened here? Hourly failure to gain, and now failing the 5-minute. Are they stopping this? Oh, they're stopping it somewhere anyway. They're holding the 15-minute. No, that would have worked, man. That short, damn.
Stop filled.
Stopped out on the YM in profit. YM blast off. Well. Russell took the liquidity, so this doesn't look like the greatest short. That might be it for the day, man. It might just be that. How do I feel about Charles Schwab? I don't know him. Don't know him personally. Wow, look at that sell-off, man. Holy. Just didn't pull the trigger, dude. Look at this fucking thing sell, man. Damn. I saw that trade. I don't know why I didn't take it. Charles Schwab is the stockbroker you've been using? Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter who you use. As long as the fees are half decent, it's fine. Doesn't really matter too much. Just as long as you're not getting raped in fees. Some of these brokers, they charge like crazy fees for entering and exiting trades. Okay, coming up on liquidity on Russell here. CL does look pretty good for a long, man. Using TradingView, it doesn't take long, man. 1 week, you can understand how to use all the tools. There's no tools in there that you need to know. Like, what do you need to know? Just how to draw a line on a chart. Horizontal line, I can show you in like 1 minute how to draw it. You know, that's the only tool you need in the whole toolbox. I guess fib retracements too, but not even close to as important as horizontal line. Horizontal line is the most important one. Just have a peruse through these markets. NQ failing the 1 minute. I'm going to be watching YM, I think, for a failure. They put pretty easy failure here for the on the 1 minute. See if they can fail it. Yeah, I mean, none of that's very hard to do, right? It's all very simple. ES looks like shit today. It's hard to trade. Russell at liquidity. Fuck, I'm gonna take a couple shorts on NQ here, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
See, this could be a short-lived account.
Order filled.
Okay, taking two more off here.
Order filled.
I have 2 runners left, or 3 runners on NQ. I'm putting the stop and profit for this. Try to get a range break here. I don't know if they'll do it, but we'll see. Probably stopped out on the rest here. Yeah, I stopped out on the rest. 316 on the day. Russell might be in the Riyadh territory. I missed it. How about YM? Any shorts yet? They're trying to fail this. No, I'm not trading crypto right now. Well, I am. I have spot positions, and I do have a short from 95k. But right now, I'm just trading futures on Apex. think we'll try a little long here on Russell off the liquidity grab and this 1 minute gain. Maybe not. They didn't really gain the 1 minute, yeah. Better leave it. Better leave it. And Q, kind of dirty, right? They failed it. They failed it. Dumped it. Swept it. So they're acting a little dirty here on NQ. NQ pushed in the highs. How'd that long on CL work out? Still in action. Still there. Gotta wait for something though, right, man? I don't know about CL. Just want to go back to the old trusty Russell. This is like the spot for them to hold it, man. How about ES? Not quite a failure, yeah. It's dirty, man, at the top. Hard to take trades. NQ, not really a failure. Russell looking like they want to hold this. Fuck, I should have took that trade. Piss off. Okay, watching YM again here for a failure. This looks promising. Long way down to the 4-hour continuation. Long way down. All right, here's a failure. Min short YM again. Just 5. It's the best day I had in 15 years. Probably a Bitcoin trade of some sort. I don't know. One day I made like 30 grand or something like that in one day.
filled.
10 short on YM. We're gonna stop this right at the top if they do pump it. Okay, 15 short.
Order filled.
That'll be it. 15. Get the stop in. No, that was a Bitcoin with my own money, right? I was an early adopter to Bitcoin. Selling 5 here.
Order filled.
Changing the stop to 10. Oops. I'll be looking to sell another 5 if we get down here. I won't be re-adding to this. Yeah, like I was an early adopter to Bitcoin, right? So it was, I kind of lucked out. Like buying Bitcoin early, I decided to learn how to trade after because I was like, well, I guess I better figure out what I'm doing with all this money. No, I don't work a regular job. I live in Bali and I bought villas here, so I run a villa management company. And then I trade also. What do I do to entertain myself? I don't know, man. I live in Bali, so just like go out to restaurants and stuff, you know. I play video games too. Like I'm just like a regular dude. Once you have money, it doesn't really like change you that much. I don't really give a shit too much about money, you know. I've been playing a lot of PAX Day lately. I'm gonna take 5 more off here, man, and then just have 5 runners.
Order filled.
441 on the day. I really should move this stop up too. My market.
Order filled.
Oh shit. I closed that trade by accident. The stream is my entertainment. That's what Rubus said over on Twitch. I closed that trade by accident, man. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, you know, I do like streaming. The reason I started the stream is just because trading's fucking boring, man. Like you're here by yourself, you know what I mean? So I'm just trying to get like a community of people together that trade. This is tested, so this is a pretty good learning opportunity right here for the even though this might work, but this is a good learning opportunity for on the 5 minute for Russell. So let me show you Deer Park for the new guys. Oh, it's not. Oh yeah, it will. US 2000. Yeah. So Russell failed the 5 minute internally here, right here, this 5 minute swing. They failed it, and then they retested it, and they tested everything with these 2 candles, right? So shorting there would have been a really good idea. Targeting new liquidity or targeting, you know, liquidity over here. But now that it's coming back in to an area that's already been tested here and here, a trade like this is not good to take. even if this one works, it's not good to take that, because a lot of times they don't work. So that's price action in a nutshell. You're looking to try to explain price action to you real quick, like, yeah. So on the bigger time frame, yeah, cleared the way to break out higher. Exactly. Even if they dump it here and the whole thing falls apart, it's still not a good trade to take, man. You need to get that into your fucking brain, because a lot of those trades don't work out. So in price action, the market moves, like it makes higher highs and higher lows in a trending market, right? So something like this is think of this as the 4-hour chart. So you're on the 4-hour chart. All you're trying to do is get involved at the opportune areas, right? So if you've established that it's a 4-hour trending higher, right? Then in this area on the lower time frame, when the price is headed down, the price looks like this when it's heading down, right? All you're looking for is a change of structure, right? Or whatever you want to call it, a break of the previous peak. Some people call it change in character, a gain, whatever the fuck you want to call it. You want the market to do this and take out a previous lower high. And then when the market retests that, this is the entry point. And you're trying to capitalize from here to here on the 4-hour. Or on the daily, if you're looking at the daily, like if this is a 4-hour, this would be a 5-minute chart would look like this. If this is a daily, then this would be like an hourly chart. Clear as mud, right? So that's why right now, so you see, look, they're still pumping it. So normally this would be a great trade to take, right? Like they failed this 5-minute, but the thing is, you need to look at the first test of that, right? So like here and here would not even the second one, the first one would have been a good one to take. Even the second one is not a good one. Even though it worked, it's not a good one to take. Yeah, you need to get a mouse, bro. You definitely need to get a mouse. It looks like ES and NQ are both dumping a little bit here. See if there's any actionable shit. Yeah, I missed it already. But it was here. Not really though. It's right here. This is the first test on the after the failure. It's just a little bit away from the stop. Too far from the stop for me. You know, bro. Let's just check the YM real quick. I think I'm done trading for the day. YM just blasting, yeah? Shit. Wow, this would have been my other target, so it sucks that I missed this trade, but I probably would have got stopped out too on the rest of it, so it's fucking half a dozen in one, 6 in the other. So that's gonna be it for trading for today. You know, not too bad. 536 on the account. So tomorrow we'll move to the next account. You know what I mean? This one has 536 in it. Good to go. Hopefully I just forget what accounts are paid and which ones are not paid, and you know, and just look in the list of, it's just going to be like next account, you know what I mean? Pop this in the trade results. %100 win rate today. Not bad. Beats yesterday's 100% lose rate. 536. So at this rate, I'll be passing accounts within, I'll be passing accounts in 15 days rather than 30, So we'll see. We'll see if that works. Well, around what time? Yeah, 8:30 Eastern, Monday to Friday. Just go into the Discord. Make sure you verify yourself. I'll show you how to do it, man. If you can't figure it out, it's just you go in here. Look, I see that you were. Is this you? Oh no, here, Dirk Park. So you need to go into the verify section and you need to click this check mark. I see that you have not. So you just need to do that. And then once you're there, on announcements, I notify here when I'm going live. There's lots of good stuff in here. The morning brief, training videos, there's tons of training here for price action stuff. And then if you guys have any questions, just message me or put it in the group, put it in community charts, or put it into general chat, and I'll see the message there and I'll respond. I'm very active with trying to help the community, especially new traders. So yeah, just make sure you guys hit the verify button there. I will be adding more to this Discord too. Right now there's a lot of, this is pretty good, right? Like it has the economic calendar. So at the start of the week, it'll tell you which days are going to be the heaters. So this week was Monday, and then it's going to be Friday is going to be a heater. So watch out, 8:30 Friday. We got lots of non-farm payrolls, fucking news coming. So that's going to make the market move. In the morning brief, every morning it tells you if there's any high impact news. It gives you a snapshot of the markets, a little trading quote, and then it gives you all the earnings for the day. What's happening prior to the bell, what's happening post bell. So it gives you a lot of good information there, man. For trading, if you're a trader, then you would want to see that stuff. I'm going to be coding in stuff with AI, so it's going to start posting charts in there. I'm going to do the right now it has the morning brief. I'm going to do like an ending of the day section, so we can have maybe it look at charts and see how, or it can post how did the if there was any news, how did that turn out. Stuff like that. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of things to put in there, because at this point I can do anything with AI. It's like no problem, man. I have a coding background, so like it's fine. I can just, yeah, you're verified now. I see that Dirt Park. I can put anything. So if you guys have any ideas that you want in the Discord, and that you want there for like things that you want to look at. Scanners in the works. Like I'm gonna put a scanner, so we'll have charts in there showing us when things have gained a weekly, you know what I mean, stuff like that. We're gonna have a watch list stuff in there, and it's just gonna be like automated and fucking telling you where to put your money basically all the time. So it's gonna be good, man. And I swear to God, I won't charge you guys for shit, especially anybody who's here now. You will not be charged for anything. I may monetize it later on if this community grows, but the early adopters here will never be charged. You'll always just have access to it, especially the people who've been around here a long time already. All right, so yeah, that's gonna be it for here. 536 on this account. Pretty good for today. Anyway, I hope you guys trade well. Stay safe. If you guys have any questions about trading, make sure to just hit me up in the Discord. Just post in general chat or community charts. All right, peace.